Okay, we're going to repeat the process here with the rear. We were hooked up to the rear side. We got this thing drained down to just about a quarter-inch or so above the fitting for the fronts. Fronts are good to go. So we're going to go ahead and fill this bad boy up. It's the same bottle. It's we probably used 2/3 of the bottle the first time on that front system. We are burping the air bubbles out again, squeezing this vent tube. Squeeze it a bunch of times, make sure we got everything out. No more air bubbles coming up, so looks like we're all right there. Put our cap back on because you'll knock this over. Guess how I know. What we did here is we jacked the cart up on its on a 2x4. Let me show you. Because on the rear, I've only got the one bleeder. Because the fluid flows across here. There's a passage on the top here, so you don't need the other. It'd just be redundant. It flows, feeds both sides. That's why there's only one line. Right, and so we just jacked the car up so any air caught in the top of here will come right up through that passageway to the other side. And we'll go ahead and crack her open. And we're going to need to get a rag on there because it'll, see, here it comes. And look, it's amazing. Look how light colored purple that is compared to that stuff that came out the front. So we'll bring you a little bit more shortly. Purging the brakes. Talk to y'all.